Today we're going to continue studying graphing with our TI-84 calculator. Suppose that we have our system of equations, y is equal to x plus 3 and y is equal to 1/2 x minus 3, and we've graphed it on our calculator. We might want to look at a useful function called the table function that can be found by pressing second, graph, and we'll get a table that looks like this. You can see that the first column is inputs of the x values, starting with x equals negative 20. The second column is y sub 1, which was our function y equals x plus 3. And y sub 2 is our second function, which was y is equal to negative x over 2, x over 2 minus 3. Here we have the point of intersection of these two lines in the quadrant 3. So we might want to look a little bit more closely at where our point of intersection is. We can either move up and down with the scroll up and down arrows, or we could go back to something called table set, which is found at second window, and it looks something like this. The table start will now be x equals negative 14. So when we do that and we go back to our table, we will get a table view that looks more like this, and here you can see our point of intersection where x is negative 12. Both y sub 1 and y sub 2 are equal to negative 9. There's one more thing we can do with the table. We can actually change the increment by which x will be increased. So if we go back to second window for table set, then we could change our delta table, or how quickly our table is changing in the x value, to 1/2. And our new table will then look more like this, where x is counting from negative 14 to negative 13 and a half, negative 13, and so on.